Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Anti-Snoring Android application available for download in the Android market. So here we have the icon of the application. I'm going to start it. This application is a very good solution to warn you that you're snoring by launching a whistle, vibrating the phone, or both. It depends on the configuration in the configuration menu. So first of all, I'm going to calibrate this application. So all you have to do is to put the phone on the table and press on calibrate. Now I'm going to configure the application. I'm going to enable the recording. Recording delay will be for 5 seconds. The whistling is enabled, and I'm going to start it. So here we have a summary of all the settings that we've chosen on the settings menu. So all you have to do is to press on this button, the start button. Here we can hear our signal. To stop it, just tap on the screen. Here it goes again. To stop this detection of the snoring, all you have to do is press on the stop button. So after that, we can listen to our record. We have here all the records. Now we can go to the statistics, which shows the time-dependent snore. Here's the graph illustrating your snore. Another feature available in this application is some advices like lifestyle changes, exercise, or medical cures. We're going to let you discover them by downloading this application. So if you have some difficulties to fall asleep, we've got another feature for you. It's a lullaby. By activating it, it will launch a lullaby by starting the application. At the end of the lullaby, the snore detection will begin. To stop it, just press on the stop button. If you like the application, you can share it with your friends by selecting this feature, the share button. We have many ways to share the application. All you have to do is to select one of them. By selecting it, it will give you a link to our page on the Android market. Thank you for watching it.